What's up guys, Freddy with Gourmet Mods here. I have a 2012 Mini Cooper that I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly super clean your engine bay. This thing is looking pretty dirty. It's got 98,000 miles. I'm going to show you how you can pretty much make this engine look brand new with very little effort and time. You don't have to do anything crazy. It's going to be very simple, so let me show you how to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is give this a rinse with Dawn dish soap. Now, with most modern cars that I've done this on, I haven't had any issues getting the engine super soaking wet. I do have an older Supra where the water will get down in the spark plugs and it'll run like crap for a little bit. Pretty much to fix that issue, I just run it until the water gets hot and burns off. But if you're worried about getting some kind of electrical connector wet, you can spray WD-40 in that connector and you should be okay. I would definitely do that on vehicles with a distributor, but like on this car and both of my newer Lexuses, I've had no problem doing this method. So what I have here is a hose nozzle where you can put soap in it. I have Dawn dish soap in here. I'm going to give this a pre-rinse with Dawn dish soap, and then we're going to put some heavy-duty chemical on it to really get it clean. So just going to spray it with Dawn. Used up all the Dawn dish soap, got rid of most of the heavy, loose dirt and debris. Now we're going to literally super clean this engine bay. This is the factory nozzle that comes on the super clean can. It's okay, but I hacked this one a little bit and put a WD-40 straw on this can, and it is a game changer. It really changes the way this stuff sprays, and it works amazing. Let me show you. So this is the regular nozzle on the super clean, which it does an okay job. I really like this foam because it foams up and sits in one place and just really breaks down the oil and grease and grime. But I really like the way it sprays with this WD-40 nozzle. And it also helps you get into tighter cracks. It's like shaving cream. And we're just going to do this to literally the whole engine.
I feel like the aerosol type spray is better for like coverage. Yeah. Where that's better for like stubborn areas and
yeah, really, you can like get into cracks, tight, hard to reach spots. Yeah. You can manipulate the straw and do whatever. I really like it. This can is only a couple bucks, and I'm probably going to use an entire can on this engine.
What's it look like when you fold the nozzle down?
It doesn't spray that well in this orientation.
Oh, it's like that.
It's a super fine mist, which might work in some applications, but I like this better. Yeah. This one is kicked. Look at it melting on the hood. I definitely see why they call it super clean.
And there's like always going to be areas that you have to actually agitate to get cleanliness, but this is a really good, depending on how deep you're trying to get, how clean you're trying to get, this is either a really good overall, one stage clean, or if you're trying to super clean and go really deep detail, this is a great first pass.
Yeah. And if you run into areas that need agitated, we have the trick for you. Check this out. This is a game changer. Super effective and very little effort. And some areas might benefit from just another coat of super clean. This engine did leak a fair amount of oil.
So I got this little Ryobi 18 volt mini leaf blower. Use this to blow all the water out of like the valve cover bolt holes and any little recesses where water usually lays.
We cleaned this off the car. Now we'll put it back on.
All right, so here's the money maker. We're gonna use this as the final step. Make the engine bay look brand new again.
All right, man, got this engine looking so good. The under the hood is looking good too. That was the biggest critique in my last engine bay cleaning video that I did like 4 or 5 years ago. I didn't do underneath the hood. Now I did, and it's looking so good. That in and out spray is literally the cherry on top. Makes everything just look nice and new. It's not oily, doesn't look like you armor-alled it. It just looks so good. I'll have a link in the description to everything that we used today. The Super Clean, the drill brushes, the hose sprayer that you can put soap in, and also the in and out spray. All those things will make this so fast and easy. Very little effort for doing what we did in this video, and you can probably get it done in 15 or 20 minutes, including drying. So really not that time consuming, super low effort, and you get an amazing result. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.